In this lesson we are going to create group feature in SolidWorks. To use group feature we need to create a shape. Now select the plane and select the rectangle on the sketch toolbar. Now extrude the sketch by using extrude boss command. Now click OK. Now apply the shell feature in the solid body and set the thickness on the solid body. Now click OK. And now we cut the small portion of the solid body to apply the complex shape of the group feature. Use the fillet on the sketch. Now click OK. Use the extrude cut command. Now click OK. Now also apply the fillet in several edges to the solid body. Now apply the group feature, and to do so go to insert fastening feature. Now select leave group option. Select the solid body, select the fetch. Make sure your group selection is selected. Now select the fetch, select the tangent propagation, select the all edges of the solid body, select here and select the edges of the solid body where you want to apply the group feature. Now you can customize the group feature dimension like 5. You can increase the dimension. Now click OK. Your group feature process has been completed. To use the leaf feature in the solid body, now go to insert fastening feature and leaf group command. Now select here and select the solid body and select the fetch. Ensure that your leaf selection is selected. Now and select the tangent propagation and select the all fetches. Select here and select the edges where you want to apply the lip feature. You can change the dimension of your lip feature here by putting 5 or 10. Now click OK. Your lip feature process has been completed.